Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of t if we have t factorial equals to 6 factorial multiplied by 7 factorial. So this is the basic math factorial problem. So here we need to find all the roots of this equation, this factorial equation, and at the last we will check that is this root of equation or solution of the given equation, or this is the extraneous root. So please watch this video at the end. Now here the very first step we are going to do is here first we need to focus on factorial definition. Okay, so here first I can little bit explain about what is factorial. So if you have, this is the n factorial, so n factorial means that we multiply n up to 1 time. So you have, this is n times of n minus 1 times of n minus 2, this is n minus 2, and up to so on 3 times of 2 times of 1. So here I can, if I can explain this definition into very particular way, you see that if you have 4 factorial, we write it as 4 times of 3 times of 2 times of 1. And if we have 3 factorial, this means that we have 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So this is the definition of factorial, and now here we just apply this definition into the given question statement, and now we need to break both of these factorial sign, or we expand both of these factorial signs, so that our given question statement is written as t factorial is equals to, first we have 6 factorial and we write it as 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, and the second one is the 7 factorial, and 7 factorial is written as 7 times of 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times of 1. Okay, this is the our 7 factorial. So here I can just break both of these factorials, and now here we need to focus into the first terms, or these terms. And now you see here, this is our 6. We break this 6 as 3 multiplied by 2, and we write all of the other terms as it is. We have, this is 5 times of 4 times of 3 times of 2 times of 1, and multiplied by, we write all of these values as it is. It is 7 times of 6 times of 5 times of 3 times of 2 times of 1. This is the our 7 factorial. Here we need to rearrange the terms, and now you see here we have here we first multiply this 2 with 5, and you get here 2 5s are 10, and multiplied by, here at second we multiply this 3 with this 3, and you get here 3 times of 3 becomes 9, and we get the remaining two values are, these are 4 and 2, and when we multiply 4 and 2 we will get here 8, and it is multiplied by, this is our 7 times of 6 times of 5 times of 3 times of 2 times of 1. Okay, so now we arrange all of these values, and when we combine all of these values, it will be written as, this is our 10 times of 9 times of 8 times of 7. We combine these two values, and we get here 7 times of 6 times of 5 times of 4 times of 3 times of 2 times of 1. In the left hand side we have, this is our t factorial. So now if you focus in on the definition of the factorial sign, you see here if this is started with 4, and we have 4 times 3 times 2 times of 1, so we denote these terms as 4 factorial. If this started with 3, we write it as 3 factorial. If this started with n, we denote it by n factorial. So according to this, you see here we start this product with 10, so we write it as 10 factorial. So in the left hand side we have t factorial is equals to 10 factorial. So when we compare both of the sides, we will easily get the value of t is equals to 10, So this is the our final root of the given equation. So we get here only one root of the given equation, and now in the next steps we need to verify that is this root of the given equation is solution, or is this root of given equation be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement here. It is t factorial equals to 6 factorial multiplied by 7 factorial. This is the our given question statement. And now here we verify the value of t. So we have the value of t is equals to 10. We substitute this value into the left hand side of this equation, and it will be written as 10 factorial is equals to 6 factorial multiplied by 7 factorial. So here we need to break the 10 factorial in order to check that is both of the sides are equal or not. So now we break our 10 factorial up to the 7 factorial term. Okay, so we write it as this is 10 times of 9 times of 8, and we break this factorial into the 7th term, and we write it as 7 factorial is equals to this is our 6 factorial multiplied by 7 factorial. And now you see here this 7 factorial is cancelled out by this 7 factorial. We get the remaining values are this is 10 times of 9 times of 8 is equals to this is our 6 factorial, and we expand this 6 factorial as 6 times of 5 times of 4 times of 3 times of 2 times of 1. This is the our 6 factorial. And now here in the next step we just again focus on this 3, and we break this 3 as 3 times of 2, and we get the other remaining values are 5 times of 4 times of 3 times of 2 times of 1. So okay, so we break only 3 as in this form, and we write all these values here. So further in the next step we need to multiply this 2 with 5, and you get here 2 5s are 10, and we multiply this 3 with this 3, and you get here 3 times of 3 becomes 9, and we multiply this 4 with this 2, we get here 4 times of 2 becomes 8, and at the last we get only 1 here. And in the left hand side we have this is 10 times of 9 times of 8. So this 10 is cancelled out by this 10, 9 is cancelled out by this 9, 8 is cancelled out by this 8, and finally we will get here our 1 is equals to 1. So this shows that the value of t is equals to 10 is satisfied our given question statement. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.